So we've got a teacher creating an assignment which is worth a total of 70 points. And the assignment's going to consist of two types of question, a 1-point question and a 3-point question, which represents the situation, where X represents the 1-point questions and Y represents the 3-point question. So we know the questions in his test must add up to 70. So we've got so many X questions and so many Y questions. We're not told anything about the proportion of these 1-point questions to the 3-point questions. So every X value will just add 1 point to the total number of marks. But a Y question will add 3 points every time a question is asked. So that equation represents the situation, and it's option D.